Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today we're having a look at Oatmeal Apps. So what this is a collection of 3 apps that is developed by 2 people pretty much. And these apps are looking at journaling, gratitude, as well as a little list app or habit tracker app. So are they any good? Let's jump in and find out. Okay, so we're starting off with 3 things first. So this app gets you to look at 3 things that you do every day or that you're grateful for every day. Now, as you start the app for the first time, it'll give you some instructions on how to use it to get the best out of it. So you can see here today, January 21st, what happens, somebody will find a way to, no matter what happens, someone will find a way to take it too seriously. Little quote up there. Now I can edit any of these that I want, but I don't want to. So here are my 3 things. I've got to give a new person a massage. I felt great and energetic. I was able to run and see friends. I felt refreshed. I was able to have an ice caramel latte today, and I felt content. So that is basically it. Now you can unlock extras with this, so you can have 5 things, and you can share your entry with someone. So it'll just take a snapshot of that page pretty much and send it to whoever you want, whether it's on your Facebook feed, whether you send it in a private chat, whatever. Or you can share this app with people, like so. Now you go through your memories, and then you get that for the day, and you can export it by unlocking. So you can create PDFs as well, so you can have these on your computer or on your phone for your own personal records, I suppose. You can change the theme, add 5 things, and yeah, you support the team and keep these apps ad-free. Now if we close that, and our settings. So daily reminders, you can set up to 3 on ways to be grateful sort of thing. So when to be grateful. Now the background color is something that you got to unlock once you pay for it. But you do get 3 free PDFs to make. And a delay in the date change. So if you are up to 4 a.m. or you get home at midnight or something and you want to journal, that's there for you as well. All for that $11.99 a year fee. So that's 3 things. Next up we have Listberry. So here I am making a video. Now if I go back into Listberry, cancel that. So this one is very easy to use as well. It is basically a list. So you put in what you're doing each day. So here I could do for yesterday, Friday, go home. Then when I'm done out of that, and if it's going to work, yeah. So you just slide your finger across like you're actually scratching it out. And it worked, and at the moment I'm making a video. And then to undo it, you just hold that. Then if I need to make that one more important, you can bold it out or change its color, give it a highlight. So very easy once again to use and easy to add things in as you need them. So putting this one on your home screen would be pretty fantastic. Now your weekly goals and notes are locked once again. So you can create unlimited tasks each day. When you unlock this one, give yourself weekly and monthly goals and notes, and unlock all repeat options every other day. And you get to support them once again. Once again, it's at $11.99 a year. So still pretty cheap to be able to help these guys keep these ad-free. And that's if you want to put those weekly goals and notes or monthly, and then you've got your settings in here as well. So that's Listberry. Pretty much make a list, scratch things out, or if you haven't finished them quite, you can redo them. Make them bolder, make them more important for you. I don't think, so there's no widgets with that one. But now we're looking at the journaling one they have. So prompted journal is about making journal entries. So as we go into this, you can see, dear past me, what would I want to tell my past self? And you've got dive deeper. Try to imagine your past you. What would you tell your past self? What do you miss about being younger? So it gives you a lot of prompts. And the further you get into it, the more you unlock different prompts each day. So a new prompt will be here tomorrow. Want to keep journaling, go to settings, and then the number of prompts per day. Want to peek ahead, go to settings, view and change prompts. So let's have a look at what other prompts there is. So dear future me, dear past me, happiness is. I find it so beautiful that, and a lot of prompts in there, as you can see. So there's a lot to get prompted with. And if you unlock it, you can change the theme, add additional prompts, customize your prompts, create unlimited PDFs with it, and dive deeper. And once again, it's at $11.99 a year for this one. And setting daily reminders of when to journal as well. So you can set a few, like so. So that's about it. They are very easy. So you can see here, Dear Future Me as well, and then you can edit that. Very easy, very simple to use. And so that is the Oatmeal Apps package. Those three simple apps that look at, pretty important stuff. So your gratitude, 3 different things that help your mindset to focus on the positive and how you felt in that positive situation. Your journaling app, because journaling gets those feelings out there while being prompted too. So you're not just staring at a blank screen thinking, what the hell do I write? So using those prompts is very important and just triggers that feeling to come out onto the, well, not page, but onto the screen. And Listberry, because hey, who can keep up with all that you have to do in a day sometimes? I think that they're pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty well executed for what they are. They're very, very simple, easy to use apps that anybody should be able to pick up and use and get something out of. And $36 a year to unlock all of them, if you need to unlock all of them, very, very good value. I would say for 3 different apps where one of those apps, let's say like a list making one, that may have other features that you don't even use in other apps, you may just the $12 alone for that one, or if you can get away with the free version, using that for that, it's pretty good value. It is a team of 2 people, which I find astounding that they've been able to create these sort of apps and have them up and running for a fair while, from what I can tell. And that they're up and doing it still. It is something that, you want to weigh up. How much am I going to use it? What am I going to use it for? And is it going to fulfill all the needs that I have with those? But for $36, one app alone, like a journaling or a list-taking app, can cost you around $50 a year. And that's just for one of those features. It may have more features for that specific app, but that's pretty good value, I find. And very easy to use. No nonsense, no flashy graphics or gimmicks, and something that it really seems that these guys are just trying to put it out there to create a little bit more peace or make you a better version of yourself and help you out. So with all those 3 apps together, I'm going to rate them about a 7 out of 10. Just because they don't have all the flashy gimmicks and all that, and they are very simple, but that is it's a very positive 7 out of 10. So they are just easy, simple apps coming from the heart. Just a team of 2 people. It's not actually a company or anything. And they're just, asking for that subscription fee to keep the ads out of it, because they want to keep the ads out of it. So it is just there to support them. I do love it. You can export various bits and pieces onto a PDF file. So if you need them, you can store them in the cloud and refer back to them when you need them. And they seem very genuine in that. I love it. Just, makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside, just even thinking about those apps. But anyway, guys, that is the Oatmeal Apps. Have you used them? Would you use them? Leave a comment down below. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe on this video. I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.